I'm Eric Peers, president of Missing Link Tools. Why Evolve? Simple. We created Evolve to stop the 4-hour coffee break. This is caused by broken builds due to incompatible or missing files in version control. Testing efforts have grown exponentially in recent years. Team sizes have remained constant, which means legacy tests and IP must be leveraged. Managing these projects becomes difficult, and data is often unavailable. But then the problems multiply, and then grow again, while your team is burning millions and tape-out keeps slipping. But there is a solution. Only Evolve includes a release server uniquely tailored to chip design. Only Evolve offers comprehensive build, test, and regression management. Only Evolve is vendor agnostic with full legacy support. And only Evolve provides built-in automated reporting and planning. Today I am joined by our presenters, Sally Q. Tester and Varun P. Designer. They will be demonstrating the basic features of Evolve.
Hi, I'm Sally. I'm a test and verification engineer. I'll be demonstrating how to run a test in Evolve and then file a bug from that test. I've been writing a test to check out our prefetch FIFO in a memory controller. I just finished creating my test, and voila! We now have a test to run on the memory controller. If I want to see all the available tests, I can type evo test list. Narrowing the list is simple. I can use grep, or I can search using other fields like tag. There's the test I just wrote. If I ever want to see exactly what a test does, it's trivial. Just type the name or ID number. Now I'll run my new test. Normally jobs go to our remote simulation farm. Checking whether a test failed is the same no matter what test I'm interested in. I can look up any test that I ran at any point in time. Yesterday, last week, or last year, Evo tracks them all. That's odd. The test failed. I wonder what happened. Before Evo, I never knew where to look first to debug a test, but now I can see my error message right away and quickly access more information. Looks like a simple assertion fail. Well, that's simple enough to fix. I'll just file a bug, and then Varun can fix it. One nice thing about Evo is that it integrates with my existing bug tools like Bugzilla. It also works with our load balancer and version control software. I also like how Evo offers a full command line interface, which lets me use my normal editor. I don't have to learn some new interface. Varun will get an email about this bug. Meanwhile, I can look at our test plan. We are using the Evo test plan tool to track our plans and whether we've fulfilled them. Since we are still early in the project, there are still lots of uncovered areas, but it's easy to find them. I've been using the built-in reporting to pinpoint our problem spots where we have untested features. I just wrote a test to cover this particular issue. We historically used spreadsheets for test planning, and I had to update them every day. It got pretty tedious, and not to mention, it was error-prone. I could do this on the command line, but I like the visuals of the web interface. With Evo, it automatically checks that the test ran and passed. See how the test plan item gives me a red light? That means I haven't finished this element. I want to add a link here to this test plan item. That way, if the test fails, we'll know about it. If the test passes, the tool will automatically tell me. This link still gives me a red light. That's because we have a failing test. It won't turn green until the test passes. So I'll let Varun fix that bug.
Hi, my name is Varun. I'm a lead designer working on the memory controller. I'll be demonstrating how to check out a fresh workspace, rerun some tests, fix a bug, and release the changes. The first thing I want to do is recreate Sally's workspace. We are using Subversion as our version control. I can never remember all of the commands and the URLs, but Evo handles everything automatically. I'm fixing Sally's bug, and I want to run with the same switches that Sally did. I was spending 1 day per week butting heads with our test environment. The switches alone for LSF, Verilog, and Subversion were getting out of hand. I want to focus on RTL coding. Evo fixed this. Sally said that the bug was in the memory controller. Now that I reran the test, I can go fix the bug. Well, that ought to fix it. Now I'll commit my changes. I can still use my underlying version control, but it's easier to just use Evo. It's features like these that have reduced training time for my design staff. We used to have a complicated check-in policy. Things broke every day, but the release server from Evolve catches any errors. So I can release my fix and let the tools do the validation. The nice thing about Evolve is that it understands common mistakes and helps me fix them. It seems to know what I want to do. Evo is a huge time saver. The release server alone is saving me a day or more per week. Most of the time, I run about a week behind the latest release. The release server picks up my candidate and merges it to the latest. Then it checks out a fresh workspace and runs our validation suite to ensure everything works.
I just got an email from the release server that said Varun fixed the bug. I'd like to show you how to grab his changes and rerun the test to close the bug. I'd also like to check our test plan now and look for the green light. It's pretty simple to get a listing of available releases. Yep, it looks like his fix was released by the server, so I'll just update. There are no extra switches necessary. Now I'd like to rerun my original test that found the bug. Evo can recreate anything that happened in the past. Let's double check that the test plan is covered. Okay, great. Another test plan item covered. Green light on this one. Now I can go write the next test to cover another hole.
Thanks, Sally and Varun, for demonstrating Evolve today. Evolve solves your problems. It keeps your team working together, manages your infrastructure, gives you reporting and planning tools, and enables your legacy efforts with the state-of-the-art. What does this mean for teams? With a minimal investment, you can see a 7x or better ROI. You can shave months off of your schedule and reduce your risks and see roadblocks sooner. Solve that 4-hour coffee break. It is time to evolve.